We are given that 1 minus y raised power m times 1 plus y raised power n is equal to 1 plus a1y plus a2y squared plus and so on. Let's denote this by 1. Now differentiating both sides of 1 with respect to y. On the left hand side, we differentiate by using chain rule. The differential of 1 minus y raised power m is minus m times 1 minus y raised power m minus 1. And this is multiplied with 1 plus y raised power n. Plus 1 minus y raised power m times the differential of 1 plus y raised power n, which is n times 1 plus y raised power n minus 1. And on the right hand side, the differential with respect to y is a1 plus 2a2y plus 3a3y squared plus and so on. Let's call this result 2. Now set y is equal to 0. The left hand side we get minus m plus n is equal to, on the right hand side, a1. The value of a1 is given to be equal to 10, and therefore we get n minus m is equal to 10, or n is equal to m plus 10. Let's call this result 3. Now let's differentiate result 2 with respect to y on both sides. On the left hand side, again applying chain rule, the differential of the first term is minus m times, in brackets, m minus 1 times 1 minus y raised power m minus 2, the negative sign, times 1 plus y raised power n, plus 1 minus y raised power m minus 1 times n times 1 plus y raised power n minus 1. And the differential of the second term is n times, in brackets, minus m times 1 minus y raised power m minus 1 multiplied by 1 plus y raised power n minus 1 plus 1 minus y raised to the power m times n minus 1 times 1 plus y raised power n minus 2. The differential on the right hand side is 2a2 plus 6a3y plus and so on. Now we set y is equal to 0 in this latest result. We get on the left hand side minus m times, in brackets, minus of m minus 1 plus n plus n times, in brackets, minus m plus n minus 1. On the right hand side, we have 2a2. Value of a2 is equal to 10, and therefore this is equal to 20. Opening up the left hand side, we get m square minus m minus mn minus mn plus n square minus n, and this is equal to 20. Minus mn occurs twice, so this combines to become minus 2mn, and therefore we have m square plus n square minus 2mn minus m minus n is equal to 20. The first three terms on the left hand side are equal to n minus m whole square. This minus m minus n is equal to 20. Now from result 3, we already know that n minus m is equal to 10, or n is equal to m plus 10. Substituting this result, we get on the left hand side 100 minus m minus, in brackets, 10 plus m is equal to 20. Or in other words, 100 minus 10 minus 20 is equal to 2m, or 2m is equal to 70, or m is equal to 35. Since n is equal to 10 plus m, for the value of n is equal to 45.